You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 3 over 2 greater than 11 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract x from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 3 over 2 greater than 11 over 2.